It hasn't. Well, you flip it upside down, so it'll be easier then.
It works for Alfred, what can you expect?
Yeah, you like goldfish?
No. What?
No, really. Just a red there, the free chicken, remember?
Flip it upside down.
Try taking the chain off it.
Oh, I will, if you guys give me a hand, yeah.
There you go. Get the chain up there. Okay, hang on. The rabbit goes around the tree. It's chased by the
Balance, give me a hand.
What are you doing?
It's not bite time.
You have a gap, Dave. Mm-hmm. You might join to that one.
The one that's like near foot.
So, I need over it. So if I know you got the wrong buddy in YouTube, there'll be a match in YouTube. I think I was winning.
I think Dippy's caught onto our scent.
Can I have a hand?
Yeah, look.
All you do is bloody record, you disgrace.
What's to be like you, Dave?
I'm going to record you recording.
I'm waiting. He did it to me.
Remember he's recording while you're... Oh.
Oh, he's blowing you.
Do you need the chain off this thing?
He likes that.
Took off my head. Space and bunny. You record it.